Solving differential in the form f slash n, where n equals any real number. Now let's have a look. So now the A and the D I've already done. So there is another video on A, on the D, the B and the C. Now here f slash 4 mean when x was 4. So they gave us a 0.4. Now to do the first one, let's say is f dash x equals x to the power half. Sorry, fx, not f dash. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, I will get this side as f dash x, and on this side I will have a d over dx of the x half. According to the rule, the half comes out, reduce the power by 1, so half minus 1. Half minus 1 is actually another half, but a negative half. So that will become half x minus half. Now they say like, oh, when it is 4, so I need to put 4 there. So which means x is 4. So wherever there is a x, I'm putting a value 4. So now if you put this thing in calculator, you will have an answer 1 over 4. Is it 1 over 4? So that's going to be your answer. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Again, we have to do like find the gradient when x is 4. So this is another way of saying like find the gradient when x is 4. Because it's a single dash, so it tells you like it's a gradient dy over dx. So let's differentiate this one. So f dash of x, and I'm just going to differentiate on this side as well. Now, when I differentiate that one, I need to differentiate separate. Now differentiation of that one is going to be just 1 minus 4 is outside. Differentiate the x square. Now let's do on this side. 1 is still there, minus 4. When I differentiate this x minus 2, the minus 2 comes out. So I put minus 2 in kind of bracket and reduce the power of x by minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1. That will give you 1 minus, that's 4 times minus 2. So that's 8. But minus and minus makes a plus, x minus 3. So this is your f dash of x. The question is asking you to find f dash of 4. So wherever there is a x, I'm just going to put 4. When I put that in the thing, it's going to give me this. So and then you can just put that in calculator and you will get an answer. So that will be 1 plus 1 over 6. f dash 4 is 1 point. So you will have 1.166 as an answer. Okay, 4 cube is 64. It's not 48, so that's 64. So that will become a 1/8. And then when you have a look at 1 divided by 8, sorry, I haven't got the other calculator. It's going to be 0.125. So that is going to be 125. 5. Yep.